SPACE is the primary gateway to all digital assistance, spare parts and training services. It's an after-sales platform designed to provide fast-track technical solutions and simplify all the relative procedures. Over 150,000 items in stock. 24,000 immediately available spare parts. 113,500 photographed articles. 223,500 constantly updated machine-related documents. Let's now show you how it works. To access SPACE, you can select Fast Registration and place a request for urgent technical assistance by sending the relative ticket. Alternatively, you can opt for full user registration and browse the entire services ecosystem. Let's look at an example. If an event, that is a warning or alarm, occurs, you can request technical assistance and support. Use the app to frame the QR code and automatically create a service ticket that immediately provides all the event-related information and data. The eSupport help desk will be ready to respond. Specialized technical personnel will investigate the warning, guide you through the required checks and problem-solving tasks, and if necessary, activate on-site support. You can also browse the 3D catalogues in the Interactive Technical Documentation section. Select the required spare part, check availability and delivery times, see the price, purchase the component directly, and receive it promptly thanks to the extensive global warehouse network. All machine manuals are regularly updated, and the documentation on the installed machine pool can be consulted at any time. New training tools allow us to speed up the staff specialization and technical skills acquisition process. SPACE, an integrated ecosystem for more efficient management, teamwork, performance, an ultra-connected factory.